Greetings, fellow Fulton County citizens. My name is Thomas Cox. As I look back over the course of my career in life, my interest in becoming a judge is now and always has been tied to my interest in helping people and engaging in public service. At my core, I'm the product of a supportive and loving community that believed in and encouraged high achievement. My parents served as my primary role models. My father was a teacher and my mother was our church's secretary. My parents stressed the importance of education. Growing up, I was taught that an important element of success is based on your ability to give back to others. As I went off to college and studied my professional horizon choices, law seemed to be a natural fit. It was a profession that offered the opportunity to help people solve problems and engage in service. These guiding principles continued to lead the way as I went on to law school. The early part of my career included significant public service, both in Washington, D.C. and later in Atlanta. It was a special honor to begin my career in Washington, D.C. at the Department of Justice. During these early years of practice, I made routine appearances in federal court, and upon my return to Atlanta, in the state court system. I was given the privilege of appearing in cases across the state, as well as several cases before the Supreme Court of Georgia. I also represented Fulton County in state and federal court. After this early time in the public sector, I went into the private practice of law, where I've served as a partner in several law firms for over 12 years. I've practiced law as a partner in a small law firm, a regional law firm, and most recently in 2 national AmLaw 200 firms. This representation has allowed me to assist individuals, as well as both small and large companies and Fortune 500 corporations in complex legal matters across the United States. This experience has broadened my horizon and allowed me the privilege of seeing our great country from coast to coast. I want to become a judge because of my desire to return to a path of public service. As a member of the Fulton County Superior Court, I would be committed to fairness to all that would appear before me, regardless of race, class, gender, or preference. I'm also committed to diversity on the bench. Our courts should be reflective of the views of all the citizens of Fulton County and not a select few. Currently, the Fulton County Superior Court does not reflect the ethnic diversity of our county. The person that wears the robe matters. If we are committed to fairness, this must change. I also want to be a judge because I am committed to objective decision-making, free of all bias that comes from viewing all people and all cases through a single lens without hearing the facts. When judges do this, it creates extremist actions and results in bias. Judges should manage their caseloads in an efficient manner. Judges should not reference what criminal defendants are prone to do or consider being afraid of a defendant in sentencing. These types of viewpoints and behaviors don't belong on the bench. Finally, I will provide the citizens of Fulton County with excellent service. We deserve no less from our public servants. The courts are not the fiefdoms of the privileged, they belong to the people. I have practiced law in both the public and private sector. I've practiced both criminal and civil law. I've been a partner in the private sector at a small, medium, and large law firms. I've achieved the AV rating by Martindale-Hubbell, the highest rating attainable by this agency, and I've been selected as a Georgia super lawyer. More importantly than any personal achievement, I would be honored to serve you, the citizens of Fulton County, on the Fulton County Superior Court. I would be honored to receive your vote. Please vote for me, Thomas Cox, for the Fulton County Superior Court. Thank you.